if ever you visit the Dominican Republic, you have to visit Zona Colonial in Santo Domingo. So first off, we stopped at this beautiful cafe, Affogato Cafe, and I had an affogato coffee, which is an espresso that you pour over vanilla ice cream. There I had some whiskey. So basically it's like a dessert and it was really good. I had eggs Benedict for the very first time and I loved it. Really, the food in Santo Domingo is very good. Then we started our walking tour. We went to Museo de las Cosas Reales, it was closed, and then we went to Panteón de la Patria. There, here are buried some famous Dominican historic figures, political and cultural. It's beautiful, rich culture. Then we went on to Fortaleza Osama. And of course, she had to pretend that she was back in the day. She was the queen, consort, you know. Then after we ended at Catedral Primada de las Americas, we couldn't film videos. And then we ate, and that was that.